Hi, this is an example from 9.1. This is just like your homework problem number 4, or actually I should say it's very similar. Before I begin, these were the two main PowerPoints that went along with this example. I copied this one right on here, but it's very small to see, but it is on there for me. So, and the answer to this document also will be on Canvas, the actual hard copy, electronic copy I should say. Okay, so for this one, what they do is they give us an equation, they give us a graph and ellipse, and they want us to come up with the standard form of the equation, and then they want us to find the foci. Okay, so the first thing I notice is I'm going to label my points. So these are the points on my major axis, and these are the points on my minor axis. My major axis is always the bigger one, so in that case it's 7. My A is 7. And the minor axis is always a smaller one when we talk about ellipses, so that's 3. So if I look at this first equation right here, that's what it looks like. So I just rewrote this equation right here. Instead of a squared, I put 7 squared. Instead of b squared, I put 3 squared. Okay, so this is the equation of the ellipse. That's the first thing they ask. To this part up here. The other thing they ask is for the location of the foci. Okay, the foci are always along the major axis, so they label those with C's here. And C, A, and B are related because C squared is equal to A squared minus B squared. For ellipses, this changes in some of the other sections when we talk about hyperbolas and such. So, okay, so C squared is equal to A squared minus B squared. I know that my A squared is 49 and my B squared is 9. I think I said that wrong, I'm sorry. My A squared is 49, my B squared is 9. That's correct, I said that right. Okay. So if I subtract those two, I get 40. So C squared is equal to 40. C is equal to plus or minus the square root of 40, which is 2 square root of 10. So my two foci, again, are on the major axis. So they're here and they're here. These are my two values for the foci.